Do you like drinking coffee and you want to lose weight? Watch this video and I'll show you how. Coming up next. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button in the lower part of the video and also click the notification bell to always be updated with my upcoming contents. Okay, so let's start. So this is a very straightforward video. So I will share to you a beverage drink for coffee lovers, and at the same time, you'll lose weight through continuous drinking of this product. So without further ado, so here's the product, Liven BURN coffee. So it has a combination of satire and carnivore, a wellness technology that triggers your mind that you're full, and also burn fats faster. Okay. So the main benefit of Liven BURN is increase metabolism, energy, and also feel the feeling of satiety, meaning you're full. Okay, that with that feeling, it supports weight loss. Okay, so it promotes a weight loss a feature in our body. Okay, so very straightforward. This is Liven coffee is made from Arabica beans. Okay, with a combination of the burn technology, which is satire and carnivore infused in the for every sachet of Liven BURN, and also you'll get the benefit of the complete phytoenergizer while you're drinking the coffee itself. So the key benefit is increases metabolism, speeds up the weight loss process, helps in stimulating a smooth digestion. So through continuous usage or drinking of this product, so you will have a much more better digestion. Lowers the risk of cancer, enhances cell function, helps control blood pressure, good remedy for diabetes, since it's a high fibrous drink as well. So it's very good for people with diabetes. So increases energy. So what else? Fights free radicals and toxins through cleansing. So through continuous drinking, so you're also cleansing your whole body. Suppresses appetite and reduces cravings. That's the most important thing. Also efficient way and a way to achieve the ideal weight. So again, guys, so if you drink this, it doesn't mean that you'll lose weight. Okay, so if you have a goal of weight, you can easily lose a few pounds through continuous usage of Liven BURN. Okay, but once you already reach your goal, so you can still use this, or you can still drink this, or okay, you can stop. Okay, so it depends on you. Okay, but this is also very healthy for the body. Now, lastly, it increase fluid intake. Okay, so those are the key benefits of Liven BURN. So very straightforward. Okay, so you will lose weight through continuous usage or drinking of this Liven BURN. Okay, so that's all. So thank you for watching this video. So it's very straightforward. The benefits of Liven BURN. You can also check the links in the description below for more information about the product. Okay, so until the next video, see you.